I am Chris Gioni with the City of Morgan Hill, and today I'm going to be explaining how to use the MoGo Quick Ride service here in Morgan Hill. MoGo is a new transportation service we have available for residents and visitors here in Morgan Hill, and it is a service that can get you pretty much anywhere in the city from a location in the city. It is an app-based service. However, MoGo is a little bit different than ride-sharing service, cab services that you would typically see. The big difference is, instead of being a door-to-door service where you get picked up at your front door and dropped off in an exact location, MoGo has virtual stops through the whole city. And you have to be at one of those stops or walk to one of those stops to get in the MoGo van to be taken to another virtual stop somewhere else in the city. So the first thing you need to do to start using the MoGo Quick Ride service here in Morgan Hill is to download the MoGo app. It's available in the Apple or Android stores, and you download it for free and you set up an account to be able to book your rides, pay for your rides, and do those sort of things. So I'm going to pull up MoGo on my phone. And I'm using an iPhone, but like I said, you can be using an Android. Now, right now, I am at the Civic Center in the city of Morgan Hill near City Hall, and I'm gonna choose that as my pickup address. I can choose that address by typing in an address that I'm located at, clicking on a map, or selecting my current location. So I'm gonna click on current location, and that is gonna populate that field. So I'm going to choose a drop-off location, click on the drop-off location, and I could either enter an address here or a prominent location. So in this case, I am typing in Railroad Park, Depot Street, Morgan Hill, California, selecting that. The next field that I have to choose is the amount of riders that I'm going to be booking this ride for. And in this screen, I'll also have a lot of other options that I can choose. Don't have those going right now, so I'm just clicking OK and moving forward. And the next thing I need to fill in is the time that I want to be picked up or will be available to pick up. So I'm clicking on the time symbol right here, and I'm going to choose my time. I'm going to choose a time that is basically right now. So I'm choosing 2:25 p.m. It's 2:24, clicking accept. And I am choosing the day, which is today. You can book your rides in advance, so if you wanted to book a ride the next day and plan ahead, you can do that. So now I'm clicking the Find Rides button, and MoGo is going to search for available rides for me. So it's searching, and it has come up with 3 options for me to ride. The first one are they're showing where we're getting picked up from. It's showing I'm going to get picked up near 17575 Peak Avenue, which is here near the Civic Center, and get dropped off near the Morgan Hill Caltrain station, which is right near the Railroad Park. You'll see on the screen that I'm looking at that it is $5 per ride. That's because there's 2 passengers. It's $2.50 per passenger. And it's going to show me what time I will be picked up at from the place I'm leaving from. So it's giving me a pickup window in this first ride between 2:30 and 2:40 p.m. So I'm going to choose this first option, and now showing that I'm going to be picked up, confirming that I'm going to be picked up near 175 Peak Avenue and dropped off near the Morgan Hill Caltrain station, and I'm now clicking OK to book my ride, and it's looking to book my ride. And it is showing that my ride is ready to be booked. You can also choose to pay cash and book on the app and then pay the driver cash. I am gonna pay this fare and complete the booking of the ride. The app is now telling me the ride is booked and that I will be picked up between 2:35 and 2:45 right now. Once you are in this section, you can view your rides from the app that you have booked. Maybe you've booked a ride today and tomorrow. Both of them would show up in there. I can click on View Details and get details on my ride. So it showed me where I'm picked up. So one of the things that I have just received is also a text message from MoGo. If I open this text message, it is showing me that my pickup location has now been finalized. So you don't get the exact pickup location when you book the ride. It's provided to you shortly after. That pickup location is now available to me via text, which I can click on a map and look at. It's also now available in the MoGo app to show you the pickup location. So on the screen right now, you can actually see where I'm at, and you can actually see where my driver is at. It's really important when you're working with MoGo is you've got to be at the stop before they get here, because once they get here, they're only going to wait for you for a minute. Well, let's go see. This is our ride. We're going to catch it and get going to our next location. All right, I've taken MoGo to near downtown. We're actually at the Morgan Hill Caltrain station where there is a bus stop, so I'm dropped off at one of the bus stops here in the MoGo app, and I am seeing that I get to rate my last ride that I received from MoGo, and I can choose how many stars I want to give, provide more feedback, that sort of thing. It was a great ride. 5 stars, not going to leave a comment right now, and I'm submitting my feedback, and that is closing out my MoGo ride for today. And I'm here at the park, made it from the Civic Center to downtown Morgan Hill Railroad Park, and that's it for today. That's how you ride MoGo. Hope you guys enjoy and use the service.